For all you guys that don't know, my Lexus gotten a little bit of a smash up, and I've been trying to replace it now for about a week. And I tried going to an auction, and stuff wasn't going very well for me. Prices were outrageous. Police didn't tell me I can't drive it, so I have been driving it, but as little as possible. I've been trying to buy a two-wheel drive Tacoma, just so I can have a small, light 4-cylinder pickup truck that's good on fuel. But the prices for them are outrageous here. For like a 2005, I'm looking at like 7 or 9 grand. You can buy a four-wheel drive cheaper, but I fixed the problem. I went and bought something. So this used to be my car. I'm still driving it every now and then. A black Toyota, well, Lexus ES300, which is basically a Toyota Camry. And I'll show you what I bought. This is what I bought. It is a black Toyota Camry.
Here we are in Zach's car, his new car. We we got quite the smoke trail.
There's a guy on a pedal bike. There's a guy on a pedal bike.
Oh my god! wait.
Oh, it's dying down.
It's dying. So sorry! Talk about a smoke show.
Best investment ever.
Oh my god.
It's in the cab.
Yeah, I gotta keep this window down.
My Lexus is a 99, and this is a 99. The only difference is this one's a 4-cylinder. I have to say, it is gutless. This car is so slow compared to the V6. Driving down the road, if I want to pass somebody, I gotta plan that pass out months in advance. Interior is actually really clean. I got a spare battery just in case this battery dies. Smells nice, radio's good, cruise control works, all that fun stuff. Just has all brand new brakes on it. I checked them out, I took the tires off. It does have brand new brakes, front and rears, calipers, discs, pads in the front, drums, all the innards of the drums, e-brakes all in the back. It came with these brand new snows. These have never even seen the road. Look at the nipples. Gotta love tires with nipples. And then those are the backs. So they bought 4 and only put 2 on. So they put them on the back, so they didn't even get that much wear. It's got Summers. It's got awesome hubcaps, but I would have really preferred spinning hubcaps because, you know, those are the cool ones. It's got a lot of K, but I'm not too concerned. It's pretty clean, pretty much no rust anywhere, except for one random spot, which I find actually pretty cool. It's got a jet fighter patch on it. Other than that, the wheel wells, everything is extremely clean on this thing. I took it for my first test drive last night because I got temporary plates for it. And I found out that the thermostat is sticking closed. Sorry, sticking open. So it is, it warms up, but as soon as you start driving and the water flows to the radiator, it cools it down, and the engine does not stay warm. So I ordered a thermostat. We're gonna go pick it up today. I put a flex pipe on it last night, so I have done a little bit of work to it, but overall, my total investment so far is $500. I want to do a big shout out to my buddy Chad. Without Chad, I would not have been able to get this thing home as easy as I did. Chad is a local tow truck driver and a great buddy of mine, and actually a pretty good friend. So, big shout out Chad. And his buddy does DeChamps doubles. So if you guys are ever in the area and want doubles, check out DeChamps doubles on Facebook. So for doing the thermostat, we're just going to take off these 2 bolts right here, pull this thing out, and then at 2:30 we're going to go to town and get the new one. I might buy an air filter for it, or maybe just take one out of the cars in my backyard. Everything else on this thing seems pretty good, to be honest. I haven't really felt anything bad. I've taken it up to speed. The only thing I got to say is it is slow, so slow. So even the oil filter, the oil looks good. I'm going to check some of the spark plugs, maybe make sure those things are good. I want to see how many kilometers I can get to a tank. My Lexus, driving around town, driving like a, let's just face it, a douchebag, I get 350, 400 kilometers per tank. Driving on the highway, being super conservative, I get 700 kilometers, and that was a 60-liter tank. For you Americans, I don't know how that works out. I'm sorry. But so this thing here has a 60-liter tank. I filled it up, and I'm going to see how many kilometers this thing gets. Hopefully it's comparable. Hopefully it is comparable. I do drive like a grandmother, so I do drive pretty slow. So we'll see if it gets good fuel economy. But I'm going to try to drain the radiator a bit and then pull out the thermostat, and we're going to go from there. Yeah, this might not be too bad. So this will be the new Zacks Workshop Derby rocket. I might throw some decals on it that I got made by a guy in the US. Do I still have them? I think I still got them. Right there. Should I put that right there? Nah, I think it's too big. I think it's too big. I have to see if I have any Zacks Workshop decals left over. It's been a while since I ordered a whole bunch of those, so I have to make this car mine. It's going to be my new daily driver. So this is what I'm driving every day, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll get this thing buttoned up and get a safety on it in no time, and be putting hundreds of kilometers on it with no oil changes, just like all my other cars. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to drive your derby cars. Sometimes it can be fun. Take care.